So we're just going to be looking here at question 3a from the 2014 National 5 Physics paper. So let's have a look at the heading to the question, really what's going on, and then we can focus in on the actual part 3a. It says a student is investigating the specific heat capacity of three metal blocks X, Y, and Z. Each block has the same mass, 1 kilogram, and the heater and thermometer are inserted as shown by a power supply. Let's have a look at the details of the power supply. It's a 15 watt power supply. The temperatures of the blocks are all the same at the beginning. The heater is on for 10 minutes and the final temperature is recorded. So the question is, show that the energy provided by the heater to each block is 9,000 joules. Now, I want to highlight this. It's a show that question, and that must mean that we must show our full working to explain what's going on. We couldn't just give the answer. That's already been given for us. So let's write down some details. The power of the heater is 15 watts, and the time that it runs for is 10 minutes. Now we must always, because we're dealing with joules here and we're dealing with watts, because watts is equivalent to 15 joules per second, then we must give our time in seconds as well. And so 10 minutes is 10 times 60 seconds, which is 600 seconds, because there are 60 seconds in a minute. And if there's 10 minutes, that's 600 seconds. So our equation is energy is equal to power multiplied by time. If there's 15 joules used every second, well, how many joules are going to be used in 600 seconds? So that's what we're doing here. And we just plug in the values, 15 times 600. And that gives us, when we calculate it, 9,000 as we expect. And that's what we need to show. So it's important that we show the answer, 9,000. If we don't show the answer, if we just show this part here, then that's not sufficient. We must show the answer as well to get the full 2 marks.